How to fix camera distortion in Samsung Galaxy A36. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue. After cleaning your camera lens, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then scroll down and open your camera app. Now here you can see the option storage. Now click on storage and then here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory of your camera, then go back and here you can see the option camera settings. Now click on it and then scroll down in last and here you can see the option reset settings. Now click on reset settings and then again click on reset. After reset the camera settings, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.